Now let's look at the KNN method when we have more than two classes. Okay, and the examples in Excel and in SAS, we looked at binary target where you have only two classes, right? So if you have more than two classes, then you know you will compute the probability, the propensity for each class, right? And then the one with the largest propensity, that would be the one, the class that you will assign the new observation to. So majority rule here means that the new record is classified as a member of the majority class of its k neighbors. If a specific class among the M is of interest, okay, so often when you have more than two classes, okay, there is probably one class which is of more interest than the others. So you will compute the propensity of that particular class of interest, and if it is greater than the cutoff value, then you would assign it. So two possibilities. Okay. So if you have more than two classes, you compute the propensity for each of the classes, okay, and then select the one with the largest propensity. Select the class with largest propensity. Or if among the several classes, if one is of primary importance, not the others, then you would calculate the propensity for just that one class. Okay. Another special case is when you have a numerical target. So if it's not a numerical target, I mean, if it's a class target, then you look at the propensity, right? What you do a poll, and whichever class has the largest proportion, then you select that. But if you have a numerical target, then you look at the neighbors and then find the average of the target values for the neighbors. So instead of majority rule, you use the average of the response values. Or you could use a weighted average, but usually weighted by the distance from between the probe, between the new observation and the neighbors. But usually just a plain average is what we can use. So either regular average or weighted average. And the metrics now, we're not going to have a classification matrix because there are no classes here. Then you have to rely on RMSE or MAPE measures like that.